Okay, so you're considering Botox. Here's what to expect. So Botox is used to relax the muscles. In certain parts of our face, the muscles are attached to the skin. So when you make certain expressions, your muscles are going to pull the skin along with it and wrinkle it. So when you put some Botox, it's going to relax that muscle so it's not pulling on the skin as much. The best time to start Botox is before those wrinkles settle into the skin. This is typically in the late 20s, maybe early 30s, but it always depends on the person, their genetics, their lifestyle, their ethnicity. But that's usually the range that people will start Botox at. So when you come in for Botox, it's a really quick procedure. I'll clean the face, I'll mark out the areas, I'll have you make certain expressions, and I'll also determine what areas bother you the most. Because a lot of these muscles are connected, you will have to treat multiple areas so that the face can look in balance. If you, for example, only treat the forehead, it can cause the eyebrows to look droopy. So we have to treat the area between the eyebrows to balance out those muscles so that your eyebrows are sitting in its normal position. Now, when the people who created Botox, they did their clinical trials, they saw that there's a certain amount of units that are needed in each area. When they do those units, it will last about 3 to 4 months. If we do less than those recommended amount, it will last less than 3 to 4 months. So typically on average, I do a little bit less so that it can look natural, but just know that it may not last as long as the whole 3 to 4 months or as somebody else that may have gotten more units in those areas. After the procedure, you will have little bumps in the forehead that will show where we injected. Those areas will go away in about 10-15 minutes. So your face will look smooth again after about 10-15 minutes. And you'll start to notice some changes in 3 to 4 days, but it will take about 14 days for the full results. Afterwards, you don't want to touch or rub the areas, you don't want to put on any makeup, you don't want to work out, and you don't want to lay down for like 6 to 8 hours.